doing our potion challenge.
Hey!
Woo!
So, basically, what we've done is we're in the room, obviously, because it was raining outside. So what we've done is we've lined up a whole load of different concoctions that really shouldn't be put together.
Especially this one.
Yeah, especially this one.
Oh.
Yeah, not like we've done it before. And we're sort of drinking each one in turn and seeing which one makes us burp the loudest or the most, right? It should be interesting considering I only did my first burp earlier. That is noticeable. Yeah, stop it. Right, so
We have water, which we'll be drinking first.
normal water.
Yes, normal tap water. It's not vase or something, whatever. Then we have water and baking soda.
Ugh.
Kind of gross.
Ugh.
Uh,
Ugh.
uh.
Not looking forward to that one. Okay.
No. And then we have Eno. It's supposed to taste good. And then we have Milo, which has coconut milk in it.
Yeah, well, we didn't really have
Milk.
normal milk, and there was also powdered milk, but that wasn't available.
No.
So we looked for it, and all we had was coconut milk, which I'm pretty sure there's a cat fur on it.
We have a tally.
Yep, we're gonna mark it from 1 to 5 stars. So should be interesting.
Should be.
Lovely blue pen.
We have bowls.
Yep, we've got bowls to be sick in. Considering
I hope I'm not sick.
earlier she spat a whole load of water all over me. I don't know if I've still got the thing. No, this top dries fast. But when we were trying out these things beforehand, but unfortunately it sort of went munted. And it started raining and the thing sort of short-circuited. She spat a whole load of stuff all over me, which we're not doing here. Wait till the challenge starts! Right, so let's get down to it.
Whoa.
Yay! First lot, water. Wait, bowls handy. Bowls, handy. Woo! Alright, ready?
Let's do this.
Cheers. What are you doing?
This way.
Right, ready? Oh gosh. Okay, that was me.
I can't do it. How did you drink? How did you only drink that much?
Okay.
Lasers. Mine.
Well, I felt one coming there. I didn't want to burp into the glass because that would be gross. Okay, so I rate that 2 stars.
Yeah, 2.5.
That's 2.
Fine.
Yeah, it wasn't that loud. It's for me. Stop it! Right, that's a 2.5 now. 1, 2, and
A thing.
sort of bit. I can't really draw half stars. You know.
Good enough.
Alright.
Okay.
Next thing. Wait, get the bowls ready.
I've got my bowl
Get
ready.
the bowls ready. Hang on, I'll put my clock away.
Oh God! Okay, maybe not.
Okay.
Oh,
Let's do
gosh.
this.
Let's not link arms again.
Okay, bottoms up.
I don't want to drink this.
Do it!
Have some water. Okay, let's do this. Watch me. Watch me.
It smells in here.
Oh, that was pretty gross.
I just put that there to make you guys grossed out. That won't actually make you burp.
What? Okay, water gets 3 stars. That's brilliant.
Don't try that at home. I've got a real bad headache from that. Oh, choking. Okay, water and baking soda.
Oh.
One.
Yeah, half.
Oh, okay. That gets half a star. Because that was pretty dang awful.
Oh yeah.
Ugh. Ugh.
Oh, you're lucky. Okay, so now it's going to be Eno.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like piss. I mean pee.
I've never tried that stuff. It really put me off.
It
I'm getting the bowl handy.
tastes okay.
Shall we?
It smells like lemonade.
Okay.
We
The
shall.
whole thing, ready?
I don't have a towel handy.
What did you do? I don't even want to see that.
You hillbilly.
Oh, we got it all over the table. Slash chest of drawers. Ugh.
Oh god, that was awful.
Oh, what the heck did you do, cameraman?
No, that was my contraction.
What did you put in it?
Come on, let's do this again.
You didn't put baking soda in it, did you?
No, it just tastes funny.
You said it tasted nice.
That's when you have enough Eno in it. Maybe I didn't put enough Eno in it. That's good.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, gross. Oh, give me that.
You hag! Give me the
Okay, that was a small one there. Did you hear that? Okay, so that gets like,
Just put that down there.
I won't give that any stars.
It just tastes awful.
Yeah,
Oh.
that just gets a bit of a dot.
Oh, okay, let's do this.
Okay, up next,
We have
Stop
Milo
it. Milo
and coconut
and
milk.
coconut milk.
Not really looking forward to drinking this.
I wasn't looking forward to drinking baby.
There we go.
Okay, well that now gets a star. Don't try it though, it's horrible.
It is. I mean,
It's horrible.
The plain one tastes worse.
Okay, that was a really failed try. Stop it! Gosh, okay. Right, what?
Milo and coconut milk. Cheers.
Cheers.
It's nice to tell all of them. It's a war game. See if that works.
That was still horrible.
That was nice for not all of them.
What is in your water?
I think water gets 5 stars. Truly.
Okay, water just gets 5 stars. I don't think that'll work with normal water. I don't know what's in your water tank. Oh yeah, and
Well, we did spot a dead eel in there one time.
And a mouse. It was disgusting. It smells so bad.
Oh.
Gross, take the towel. Ah! Ew!
Yeah, why are you showing my vomit? Look at that, that's just nasty.
Oh, Blaze,
No,
look.
seriously, don't look at that.
We have to finish these drinks off.
This can be yours.
No, that's mine. This is mine too.
Alright, ready? Set.
Cheers. I'm just trying not to burp.
You're the drawer alarm.
I had to try not to laugh. You're a little bastard. Look, I'm drinking all of my drinks. Look, these are all my drinks. Look at them.
All empty, and mine is just sort of. Ugh.
Shit in them.
Don't swear.
I didn't
Wipe my
swear.
vomit on you.
Lovely.
I know, I'm lovely. Right, Milo and coconut. We still haven't rated that one.
Tastes a nice one.
Yeah, but we're not after niceness. We're after burpingness. Stop it.
That's the Eno.
Alright, coconut milk, just half a star.
Yeah.
That was my egg for breakfast.